Quickly make social media graphics with Canva. Here's another Freedom Lab cheat sheet video. Quick and simple step-by-step instructions for online business tech. Go to canva.com and sign up for a free Canva account if you don't already have one. Click in the search bar and a drop-down menu appears. Choose Instagram Post. That's a 1080 by 1080 pixel format that also works for Facebook, so I don't bother making different sized images. Once you've chosen the format you want to create, you get a wide variety of templates to choose from. For this video, I picked this one. It's a simple quote template, but I'm not crazy about the background. So on the left side menu, I choose Background and pick the starry sky image. In this case, I like the quote, but I want to change the font. To do that, first I select all the text. The current font is Oswald and I'll change it. So clicking the font menu at the top opens a large selection of fonts. It's surprising, you still get a very large choice of fonts with a free account. I picked Beleza and I also changed the letter spacing. Now you can save your work and download it. So I give it a name, save it, then click Download on the right. Pick PNG or JPEG as a file format and click Download at the bottom of the drop-down menu. Now name it, save it, and you're done. Wishing you all the best in your online venture adventures. I'm Marie Watkins with Freedom Lab.